I know that very often I'm telling you some things that you should or shouldn't do when it comes to the videos, and I know that I told you probably a couple of times that stripes are not a good idea, but I still went for the stripes today for the video. There is the reason. The stripes, which are very, very narrow, are definitely not a good idea. So the stripes like this would be something extremely distracting, but the stripes I have are still pretty good. What I really wanted to say is the second thing that I always mention is the fact of the background. Whatever you do, whatever things actually are happening in the background, should be connected and related to the video, to the content. However, sometimes it's good just to show people who you are, where you are, what you do, and that's what I'm actually doing in this video, and in probably a couple of next videos I will be also popping in with this background, mainly because I got fed up with the white wall. Second of all, I also prefer this way because I don't need to use the artificial light, which make me look a bit bizarre sometimes. In front of me there's a huge window which gives me a nice light today, no cloud, sun outside, and it's actually perfect lighting. So the important thing, do not ever underestimate the power of the natural light, the power of the sun, the best light ever. You will not have any kind of bizarreness on your face, no blurriness, no need to get the extra light. It's natural, it's perfect. Of course, if it's too sharp and too high, that's another thing, but I think I will leave that topic to specialists. When you actually start with making videos for social media or preparing any type of video for your presentation, or for a workshop, or for the online workshop that you're gonna create and sell or share with people around you, I really want you to script it. You don't need to read from the prompter. That's nice, but you don't need to do that. You don't need to memorize everything, but at least script what you want to say, feel what you want to say, even write down exactly what you want to say, read it a couple of times, and simply, if it's a topic that resonates with your heart, you'll be saying it from your heart, but you will still memorize, you will still remember whatever is that you wanted to say. So those couple of things I really want you to keep in mind. This is like kind of a spontaneous video that I decided to record today. I was really in the super procrastination mode, but about that I will make another video, and I will script it with the details how actually to get out of that procrastination mode and take some action and do something, make something happen for you really, really good and actively and quick. And however else, again, I'm blabbing. You see, the non-scripting videos ends up sometimes with blabbing. The important thing is also that you don't need to buy a super duper extreme, wonderful and amazing camera for bloggers or a camera for videographers. You don't need to make a special studio for yourself. You can do it like I'm doing it right now in the room, which is my office, my bedroom, my storage room, my wardrobe room, a playground for my son very often. So this is a kind of multifunctional room. Really, really, I want you to not focus on that, not focus on the fact of creating an amazing studio for YouTube. If you have the chance, if you have a shed, or if you have a basement or attic or any extra room that it's actually a messy room that you can use for creating the YouTube studio inside, that'll be awesome, but it's not a must. You can start with what you have. Start with the amazing light that is a daylight. Start with your phone, which is actually plugged in right now to my tripod. Definitely get the tripod, because this way I'm not actually extremely blurry and running around. Although I'm running around, I'm a very movie person. I try to really ground my feet about that. Another thing, definitely try to ground yourself in one place, and this way it will be easier for you to actually say something, to focus on what you're saying, focus on the message that you're passing, instead of thinking about how should I stand, what should I do with my hands. Just be natural, be yourself, and that's the most important. And if you need more help about that, just give me a call. email me, and I'm very happy to chat and see if I can help you with your videos or anything else connected with your personal growth, your business growth, and you becoming the CEO of your own life.